coconut. Coconut. D is for dates. Dates. E is for elderberry. Elderberry. F is for fig. Fig. G is for grapes, green and sweet. H is for honeydew, what a treat. I is for Indian prune, small and round. J is for jackfruit, the best I've found. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and bright. L is for lemon, sour and light. M is for mango, sweet and yellow. N is for nectarine, a fruity fellow. O is for orange, round and bright. P is for papaya, a tropical delight. Q is for quince, a special treat. R is for raspberry, oh so sweet. S is for strawberry, strawberry. T is for tangerine, tangerine. U is for ugly fruit, ugly fruit. V is for velvet tamarind, velvet tamarind. W is for watermelon, watermelon. X is for zigua, zigua. Y is for yellow watermelon, yellow watermelon. Z is for zucchini, zucchini. Subscribe to Suno Toon AI.